Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0404, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0404? What's the symbolism of 0404? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0404 mean for love? What does 0404 mean for twin flames? What does 0404 for manifestation? How does angel number 0404 affect finances? What does 0404 mean for former relationships? How does 0404 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0404? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0404? What's the meaning of angel number 0404? Angel number 0404 emphasizes the importance of stability, discipline, and long-term planning. It combines the grounded energy of the number 4, associated with hard work, responsibility, and building solid foundations, with the spiritual and infinite potential of the number 0, which amplifies the traits of the digits it surrounds. Seeing 0404 is a sign that your angels are supporting you as you lay the groundwork for future success. It urges you to stay committed to your goals, trust the process, and remember that consistency and spiritual alignment are key to creating a meaningful, sustainable life path. What's the symbolism of angel number 0404? Symbolically, 0404 represents structure, endurance, and spiritual grounding. The number 4 appears twice, reinforcing themes of order, discipline, and practical wisdom, while the zeros emphasize divine presence and the cyclical nature of life. This number symbolizes the importance of balance between the material and spiritual worlds, encouraging you to build your dreams on a firm, well-planned foundation. It may also point to the need for patience and perseverance, as lasting success requires effort and time. Angel number 0404 invites you to embrace routine, honor commitments, and trust that your steady actions are supported by the divine. What is the angel number 0404 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 0404 is a message that divine guidance is available as you create a life rooted in purpose and stability. The presence of 0 emphasizes infinite spiritual connection, while the 4s encourage grounding and order. This angel number invites you to align your material efforts with your soul's mission. It's a reminder to integrate spiritual practices into daily routines and to trust that slow, steady progress is spiritually significant. Your angels are encouraging you to rely on faith while building something lasting. 0404 serves as a divine nod that you're protected and spiritually equipped for the journey ahead. What does angel number the 0404 mean for love? In love, 0404 signifies loyalty, stability, and commitment. This number highlights the importance of building a solid emotional foundation with your partner. If you're in a relationship, it encourages mutual responsibility, clear communication, and consistent effort. For singles, it's a sign to seek a partner who values trust and emotional security. 0404 isn't about fleeting passion. It represents enduring love that stands the test of time. It may also suggest working through past emotional patterns to create healthier dynamic. Ultimately, this number reminds you that love flourishes through trust, patience, and shared long-term goals. What does angel number 0404 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 0404 suggests the relationship requires grounding, structure, and healing. While twin flame connections are deeply spiritual, 0404 emphasizes the need to stabilize the union in the physical world. Both individuals may be undergoing personal growth or learning how to balance their energies more harmoniously. If you're in separation, this number encourages inner work and emotional maturity to prepare for reunion. During a union, it advises working on communication, shared goals, and accountability. 0404 is a sign that the twin flame journey is protected but must be anchored in responsibility and conscious effort to fully thrive. What does angel number 0404 for manifestation? Angel number 0404 indicates that manifestation is most successful when rooted in structure, patience, and long-term planning. It's not about instant results, but rather aligning consistent actions with clear intentions. The 4s encourage hard work and persistence, while the 0s connect you to divine energy and limitless potential. This number advises you to create systems and routines that support your goals and to trust the slow but steady process of manifestation. Stay grounded, believe in your vision, and build it step by step. 0404 reminds you that your dreams will materialize when backed by commitment and spiritual alignment. How does angel number 0404 affect finances? Financially, 0404 encourages responsibility, planning, and steady growth. It's a reminder that long-term stability comes from disciplined budgeting, saving, and informed decision-making. You may be guided to build a stronger financial foundation, whether through investing, reducing debt, or developing new income streams. The 4s represent practical action and hard work, while the 0s bring divine support and opportunities. This number also warns against impulsive spending and urges you to approach money matters with maturity. Your angels support you in achieving financial security, but it's essential to be proactive, focused, and grounded in your financial goals. What does angel number 0404 mean for former relationships? Angel number 0404 in the context of former relationships indicates that past experiences were essential for your emotional and spiritual growth. It invites you to reflect on the lessons learned and how they helped you become more grounded and self-aware. This number supports healing and closure, encouraging you to release resentment and forgive yourself and others. It's a reminder to build healthier relationship patterns moving forward and to approach future love with a stronger sense of boundaries and clarity. 0404 signals that true love will come when you've created emotional stability and learned from your past. How does angel number 0404 guide your work life? In your career, 0404 highlights the importance of structure, diligence, and strategic planning. It encourages you to create a strong professional foundation through discipline, consistency, and integrity. This number may indicate a time to focus on long-term goals, develop new skills, or take on more responsibility. It can also suggest that a leadership or organizational role may be calling. If you're feeling uncertain, 0404 assures you that steady effort will lead to meaningful success. Your angels are urging you to stay grounded, follow a clear plan, and align your work with a sense of purpose and service. What are the strengths of angel number 0404? The strengths of angel number 0404 include dependability, determination, discipline, and spiritual balance. Those influenced by this number often possess a strong work ethic, clear vision, and the ability to build lasting foundations. They are reliable, loyal, and committed to both personal growth and collective well-being. With a blend of practicality, 4, and spiritual insight, 0, they can create meaningful, stable lives that are also divinely inspired. Their methodical approach allows them to overcome challenges and support others through grounded leadership. Above all, 0404's strength lies in its ability to manifest long-term success through consistent and aligned action. What are the weaknesses of angel number 0404? The weaknesses of angel number 0404 include rigidity, fear of change, and overemphasis on control. People influenced by this number may become overly cautious, perfectionistic, or stuck in routines that limit growth. While stability is a strength, it can become a weakness when it leads to resistance to necessary transformation or emotional vulnerability. They may struggle to take risks or trust intuitive nudges, clinging to what feels secure. Additionally, An excessive focus on work or structure may cause imbalance in relationships or spiritual life. 0404 urges balance between planning and flexibility, control and surrender, logic and intuition.